as we welcome you to a gorgeous, picturesque night here in Doha. The DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025, and it's time for the second semi-final. It is the Shaheens against Sri Lanka A. The Shaheens with a perfect record in the tournament so far. Sri Lanka A versus the Shaheens, semi-final 2. Into swing. That he had a rain fade moment. Apologize to the fans as the Shaheens get off the mark courtesy that flick.
Wonderfully struck through the gap. The form is flowing with this boy.
This is something that... He is a precocious talent. Look at that. Enjoy it. Embrace it. This is better. Guided the ball past point. First boundary of Naeem's bat. Hoiks it in the air. Two fielders converging. You. No you. No you. In the end, nobody. Again, goes with a big heave, Naeem. Naeem crunches it into the barricades. This is much better. Gave himself room along the carpet. Chance for a catch. The finger goes up.
Softest missile, and something that he'll need to rectify soon. Again, his eyes were off the ball way too quickly. Just have a look at that neck spin around. Yeah, not on the impact. That is where you got to look as a batter.
As Ratnayaka comes in for a second, he knew that Maaz Sadakat was stepping out. He thought he was being clever. Again, a slow delivery. Picked up. There's a new satellite in the sky, courtesy Sadakat. This is much better, but 3 slow deliveries in a row. It stills in the air. And it's taken. Eventually well judged by Ramesh Mendes. And would you believe it, is the first time in this tournament that it's curtains on a Maaz Sadakat innings.
But there's nothing wrong. Absolutely fine. Half and half, and a good take at long on. And yeah, when you are in such a good form, this is not the kind of shot that you go for. Wonderful take by the fielder as Maaz Sadakat is out on 23 for the first time, and Pakistan are 40 for 2. The ball moving in the air.
Pike starts off with a huge 6.
47 for 2. Praveen Matthew into the attack. Pike. He smashed his first ball in the last over from Milan Ratnayak for a maximum. The second delivery took a single. First ball of the 6th over trying to go over the maximum. He throws it away, and Praveen Matthew strikes for Sri Lanka.
One shot too many for Muhammad Faiq, who smashed a 6 in the previous over. This time around, not getting the distance. Sahanarachige keeping his eye on the ball and taking it comfortably. This is a big blow.
Very experienced that shot. Poor delivery down the leg side, drifting away when fine leg and square leg in the circle. Good timing. Ramesh Mendes does well. Took a brilliant catch to dismiss Maaz Sadakat. Bouncer. Deep square leg fielder in place and takes a good one. Lassit Cruz Pulle sprinting in from deep square leg. Never easy diving forward. And Pramod Madushan take above. A good bouncer to dismiss Yasir.
Boundary's been hit. Yasir gets a short ball and tries to heave that. All he can do is send it into the hands of Cruz Pulle, who keeps his eyes on the ball. Brilliant catching there from Sri Lanka A. Pramod Madushan is rewarded for his brilliant bowling. Good line, good length. Yasir Khan has to walk back scoring 6. Shaheens are 58 for 4. It's taken.
Is it outside edge? Is it? It is! Trevin Matthew bowling his last over of his spell. Dunit Lalage took a chance by bowling Trevin Matthew 4 overs on the trot, and he delivers.
Nicely taken, never easy, but safely taken. We've been praising how good the catch has been taken by the Sri Lanka A, and one more in the process. Pumped up Sri Lanka A. Irfan Khan Niazi after making 6, Shaheens are 62 for 5.
Shot. Nicely placed. The fielder behind square. He can't make it. Nicely cut away. What a shot. Again, eyeing that gap. Plays that late. Good control as well from Masood.
Because that was an important victory. Well fielded. The fielding has been brilliant.
55 for 3 in the power plays. Nicely cut away. It was boundary written all over it.
Got 6 wickets so far in this tournament. Ball in the air. Field underneath. Drops it. A rare blemish.
Cheeky, effective. All the way for maximum. I mentioned the fact that Ghazi Gori will go after Ratnayaka. Second 50 comes of 54 deliveries. Again cheeky. Just over the fielder's head at short third.
And they have been wonderful so far. This is going to be out. Straightforward decision. That was smashing into the middle stump. What a poor choice of a shot. When Ghazi's got going, Saad Masood, all he wanted to do should have been in there.
Is this action needed, the risk needed? The Lalagas bowl well, just seam off and target the faster bowlers. You just can't keep away the pocket dynamite Dunit Lalage. He strikes with Masood going back for 22. Shaheen's 109 for 6. So Garuke Sanket will probably bowl the 4 overs. Shot. Beautiful hit. That's power for you all along the ground. Recently he has. Oh, extra cover, he goes again. Pace on, and Aziz says thank you very much and pumps it over extra cover. And that too, coming down the track, treating Sanket like a spinner. Back-to-back slow deliveries by Garuke. 2 is the call, and running for it and making it with ease. Is it close? Is it close? Probably heading down the leg side. Slugs it. And what a catch. San Arachige, you just can't keep him off the game for a long time. Runs with the bat in the previous game and takes a blinder take diving forward.
Not timing it well enough, and a good catch running forward. Taken low down by the fielder. Yeah. Wonderfully held. Good technique. Falling on the abdomen.
Yorker. Perfect Yorker. Right on the money. Shot. He picked the bones out of that. Ahmed Danial. I did warn you folks that he can tonk the ball. Certainly he did in the last delivery. Slow delivery. Picks it up. Long off fielder. Oh, valiant attempt. But palms it over. That is very unlucky. San Arachigi.
In the end, another 6. Important 6. So very crucial striking this from Ahmed Danial. Just have a look at this effort. Wow. Could have been a great grab.
Shot. What a shot. Danial under pressure. Scoops it over. A shin high full toss. With that 6 brings up the 154. The Shaheens. Oh, beaten and an outside edge and given. Pramod Madhushan has the last laugh. Pull the length back.
Was out, caught behind in this fashion. Yeah. Once again, batter falling to the cuteness.
Certainly goes for it. Slower delivery. No timing. And Milan Ratnayaka takes it easily.
Batter Ubaid Shah having no idea. Goes for another swing. Gets no timing on this one. Bottom of the bat and easily held at long on. Ratnayake, the fielder, completes a safe catch. Masadakar
Here comes the last ball. Clever delivery or Yorker, not too sure, but a clever delivery, whatever it is, to finish off by Pramod Madushan. 4 overs, 4 for 29, the most experienced bowler in the Sri Lankan A side. He delivered when it matters the most. In the end, Shaheen's finish on 153 for 9 in the allotted 20 overs after being put into bat.